Hey YouTube, this is Iron Knuckle! Welcome back to this legendary Duelist Season 3 display box opening. I just couldn't miss out on Season 3. I did 1 and 2. Why not do Season 3 display box? I'm looking forward to it. It'll be awesome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this, take out all the boxes and open one of the boxes. And then the rest off camera, and then we'll go over the variant cards and the dice in each box, and then we'll open up the packs. Let's get started. I'm going to pause it here. Okay, I have one of the boxes, one of the 8 boxes. Let's take a look what we get in here. So you get 1 of 5 dice. That's pretty cool. 2 Legendary Duelist Season 3 packs. Each pack contains 15 common cards and 3 ultra rare cards. And 1 of 10 secret rare variant cards. So let's open this one up, show you what's inside, and then we'll take a look at the other ones. But I won't look at the secret rares. Those will be a surprise for when I unpause. Stuff I'm hoping to pull out of this set would be Magician Souls, of course. That's like the chase card. And I guess just some Dark Magician stuff, honestly. I mean, we'll see what happens. I do like I've always liked the color text stuff. It's really nice looking. So let's open this. All right, so there's our 2 packs that we'll set aside. Very cool. And then we have for our dice, we have a Magician Circle. Pretty cool. Dark Magician related. And our secret rare card is a Cursed Necrofear. So that's a really cool card. It's a retrain of Dark Necrofear from my favorite set ever, Labyrinth of Nightmare. So I'm going to go ahead and open the rest of these, and I'll see you in a sec. Pause. All right, let's take a look at our variant cards. Should be 8 in total. So we start off with Harpy's Pet Fearsome Fire Blast. Harpy's Pet Dragon, excuse me. Fearsome Fire Blast. The Dark Magicians, that's a pretty good card for Dark Magician deck. Very pretty card. And we have the Cursed Necrofear from before. Predaplant Try for Overturn. It's a pretty good card, I think. Maybe. Soul Servant, that's a pretty good card. Really beautiful card. Love Dark Magician. Elemental Hero Sunrise, very cool. Then we have Harpy's Pet Dragon and another The Dark Magicians. Very nice. So I'm very happy with the variant cards. And before we get started, I want to show you the dice. So that was the one from the first box. Then we have Dark Magician Girl right there. Then we have Elemental Hero Neos, kind of hard to see. Then we have Hero Signal. Here we have like a 5Ds, what is it called? Junk Synchron. There we go. I was like, And I got 2 of the Hero Signal ones, and I got a regular Dark Magician. That's pretty cool. And I got another Neos. Yes. So pretty good. I'm really happy with the dice and the variant cards. I'm really pleased. And then we have our packs. There they are. Whoa. So let's get started. These are thick packs. Oh boy. So let's get started. It has Bakura and Yami Yugi on the front. Let's get started. I know this stuff has a lot of Earthbound Immortal stuff, Fire Ant, and stuff like that. And of course, Elemental Heroes and Dark Magician. So, Righteous Justice, Evil Hero, and Evil Hero. Evil Hero's like my favorite. Infernal Gainer. Magician Navigation. Thought that card was OP for a long time. Performapal Popper Up. Odd Eyes Wizard Dragon. Our first color text is a red. I think red is a text style here. And it is Archfiend Empress. Intimidating. And we have Dark Calling, a really good card. Offerings to the Immortal, or Offering to the Immortal. Predaplant Drosphilum Hydra. Okay. Okay. Spirit Message L, and yes, Bakura's Spirit Board is in this. Super funny. Then we have Predaplant Chimera Flugia. Very good. And that is it is a purple. Or is that a blue? It's purple. I'm saying it's purple. So purple. Excel Synchron. Cool artwork there. And our ultra rare is Tuning. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. And then we have Gimmick Puppet Gigantus Doll. H Heated Heart has the Hero Flash in it. Supre Duskwalker, that goes with the Fire Ant one. Roar of the Earthbound Immortal, and Future Drive. All right, yeah. So those are some of the cards you can look forward to if you want to pick up a couple of these boxes for yourself. I think individually they're 15, something like that. But I did get the display box for around $70 around TCGplayer. There we go. Gimmick Puppet, Terror Baby. Oh, great. Spirit Message A. Do Wharf, Go Glove. Yes. Earthbound Geoglyph. Whoa. Magician of Dark Illusion. Pretty sweet. Then we have my favorite Earthbound Immortal, and that is a blue Elsa Piscu. Very, very, like, OP Earthbound Immortal. I think it's the best Earthbound Immortal card, like, period. It's really good. Dark Spirit of Banishment. Pretoplast. Offerings to the Immortals. Supe. Spirit Message N. Escador Dawnwalker. That is our ultra rare. Pretty cool. Then we have Magistry Alchemist. And then we have a red Elemental Hero Honest Neos. Pretty good. It's like an Honest for Elemental Hero cards. Pretty cool. Then we have Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chulalu, I believe. Magician's Robe. Favorite Hero. And Oracle of the Sun. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Next pack. Hoping for Magician's Soul. That's what I'm hoping for. Start off with Zubaba Bancho Gagaga Code. Again, oh, crazy. Perform Puppet. Sentence of Doom. Has the Spirit Board in that artwork. Dark Sanctuary, another Bakura card. And we have number C40, Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. That's pretty interesting. And that is a red text. Menacing. Miracle Fusion, good hero card. Moon Dragon Quila, very cool. Satellite Synchron. Spirit Message N. Revival of the Immortals. Then we have Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy as our ultra rare. That's pretty good. Always loved Infernal Prodigy. Winged Karibo. Satellite Warrior, and that is a blue. Very nice. That works with Synchros pretty well, actually. Secrets of Dark Magic. Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. That's crazy at a common. That's pretty good. Synchro Chase. Diabound Colonel. And Zoma the Spirit. Yeah, I'm surprised they printed Starving Venom as a common in this. That's pretty good, actually. It's a great Super Poly target. If you've been playing Master Duel, that kind of stuff. So we start off with Perform Repel, Popper Up. Earthbound Immortal Kapak Apu, I believe. Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, pretty awesome artwork. Pretoponics. Puppet Parade. Practice, that is an ultra rare. Alright. Then we have Supe. Onomado Pickup. And Magician Circle. Dark Spirit of Banishment. Another Pretoplant Chimraflugia. I believe that's blue this time, not purple. And we have Wing Karibo. And Gurnia, red. That's kind of cool looking. I think that's a Merrick card, maybe? Or is that... No, it's a Bakura card, I think. Skyscraper. Magician's Rod. Gimmick Puppet Gigantus Doll. H Heated Heart. And Supe, Dusk Walker. I use a lot of those Line Walker cards in Red Dragon Archfiend stuff, like Jack Atlas, that kind of stuff. Actually works pretty well. So we start off with Sentence of Doom, Spirit Message A, Magician of Dark Illusion, Earthbound Geoglyph, Magician's Navigation, Magician's Combination as our ultra rare. I love the artwork on this card. You have Dark Magician Girl. You have the spell book that goes with Dark Magician Girl. You have Magic Cylinder in the background. It's great. I love it. Super cool. Nostalgic. Predaplast. Offerings to the Immortals. Supe. Oh boy. I'm skipping cards. Spirit Message N. Infernal Prodigy Blue. Awesome. Winged Karibo. And Tuning Red. That's menacing on a spell. Wow. Tuning. Magician's Rod. Another Gigantus Doll. Heated Heart. And another Duskwalker. Oh, one more. Roar of the Earthbound Immortal. Yeah, that's pretty good. Especially that combination one. That's just such a cool card to me. It's like Konami definitely knows how to print support for their older archetypes. Start off with Earthbound Immortal, Kapakapu, Malicious Fiend, Predaponics, Puppet Parade, Quick Draw Synchron is our Ultra. Pretty cool looking. Love Quick Draw. Hero Signal, Predaplant, Drosphelium Hydro, E-Emergency Call, the best E card, Revival of the Immortals, and Ascator Dawnwalker Blue. Pretty good. And we have Earthbound Immortal Revival, Winged Karibo, and a Gurnia Red again. So I got 2 red Gurnias. Okay. It's going to give me a hernia. Predaplant Draco Stapella, Synchro Chase, Earthbound Linedwalker, Predaplanning, and a Hero Lives. It's pretty good. All right. All right. Yeah. That's pretty good. All right. Yeah, I'm happy so far. I mean, especially for the price for this box, it's actually really worth it. I don't know. Start off with the long name guy. Yes, of course. Reform Puppet. Infernal Gainer. Love Infernal Gainer. Oh, I saw... What's his face? Gaga Magician. Sangan. Yeah. Blue Sangan. I love Sangan. I love it. But it's eroded. Oh, it's still good though. Hero Signal. Not bad. Another Hydra. Another E-Emergency Call. Revival of the Immortals. Dark Spirit of Banishment. And another Predaplant Kaya Reflugia Red. So I have all the Predaplants Chimera Reflugia in each color. That's hilarious. Then we have Ebonheim Magician. Whoop. Another Ebonheim Magician back to back. That's kind of weird. Okay. And we have Performapal Celestial Magician, and that is a pendulum. Interesting. Interesting. Earthbound Linewalker. Call of the Earthbound. And Dark Spirit of Malice. And one more Skyscraper. There we go. There's a throwback to the first episode of Yu-Gi-Oh! GX when he pulls out the Skyscraper and wins the duel. It was great. GX is underrated. I really like GX. Start off with Gimmick Puppet. Terror Baby. I'm just looking at this card and thinking, why? Evil Mind. Dark Gaia. There's one of my favorite evil heroes right there. I love the OTK with this guy. He's just really insane. He's not good anymore, but Doom Caliber Knight. It's like an Omni Negate, like pretty good. Quick Draw Synchron, and that is a red. That makes more sense. Goes along with the card. Pretty cool. Then we have Earthbound Greater Linewalker. Miracle Fusion, always nice to see. Another Quila. Satellite Synchron. Spirit Message N. And Dark Magician Circle Ultra Rare. Very nice. It's a really good card in Dark Magician decks. Very nice. And then we have Earthbound Immortal Revival and the Magician of Chaos Blue. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's a ritual with blue text. That's awesome. That's sick. Wow. All right. Yeah, it's pretty good. Then we have Magician's Robe, Favorite Hero, Oracle of the Sun, Predaplant Draco Stapella, and Skyscraper, once again, as the ending card. All right, so we have 8 packs left. Let me know if you're still here. This is going to be a longer video than normal, but I only have a long video once in a blue moon, so here we go. Sentence of Doom, Spirit Message A, Magician of Dark Illusion, Earthbound Geoglyph. Oh my gosh, I keep skipping. Magician's Navigation. Then we have another C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings, and that's an ultra rare. Then we have Spirit Message N, Destiny Board. So we have the complete Destiny Board now. Satellite Synchron, Supreme King's Castle, Evil Hero support card. We have Evil Hero Infernal Sniper, sick artwork on that. Then we have Ebonheim Magician, very nice, and that is a red text. Very cool, like it. Then, there we go, Ebonheim Magician. And we have Evil Hero Sinister Necrom as blue. It's a pretty good card. I like it. Then we have Dark Spirit of Malice. There's the Sun Dragon, finally, Inti. And Skyscraper. Oh, no, one more Magician's Rod. There we go. I thought we were going to end on Skyscraper again there. Next pack, hoping for Magician's Soul here. See what happens. Spirit Message A. Dark Magician, or Magician of Dark Illusion. I just think Dark Magician. Oh, Earthbound Immortal Geoglyph. Magician's Navigation. Another Magician's Combination at blue. It works, yeah. Why not? Still looks good. Earthbound Greater Line Walker. Miracle Fusion. Moon Dragon Quila. Satellite Synchron. Spirit Message N. Junk Converter, and that is a red. Very interesting looking. Earthbound Immortal Revival. Performapal Celestial Magician. It's the second one, and that is just a regular ultra rare. Magician's Robe. Favorite Hero. Oracle of the Sun. Stepelia. And Skyscraper to end it off. Wow, I think I've ended probably about 3 or 4 packs of Skyscraper. Interesting, interesting. That's giving me King's Court vibes. If you know what I'm talking about. Oh, that video was tragic. Oh, man. So we start off with Infernal Gainer, Magician's Navigation, Performapal Popper-Up, Odd Eyes Wizard Dragon, that's crazy looking, Ga Magician, or Ga Magician, excuse me, there's 4. And we have another Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings, oh my goodness, ultra rare, alright. Hero Signal, Dark Spirit of Banishment, Dark Calling, Offerings to the Immortals, Predaplant Hydra again. And we have another Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy at red. It's pretty cool. Then we have Earthbound Immortal Revival. And then we have Magician of Chaos Blue again. Another sick card. Looks good. Heated Heart, Supe Duskwalker, Roar of the Earthbound Immortal, and Future Drive. All right. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. So we start off with Evil Hero Dark Gaia, Doom Caliber Knight, our Righteous Justice, Evil Hero Infernal Gainer, and another Magician's Combination blue. Oh, I love it. I love this card. It's so silly, but I love it. Miracle Fusion, love it. Destiny Board, Illusion Magic, Jaugen the Spiritualist. Oh boy, he's making a comeback in them spellbook decks after that ban list. He's pretty powerful. It's kind of funny how he's in here. Spirit Message I, Dark Magic Circle Red. Ooh, that's menacing. Pretty cool. And we have Fire Ant Escador, and then a Oversoul, and I think I saw another, yeah, Magician of Chaos Ultra Rare. Oh man, this guy loves me. That's insane. That and Reflugia. So we have Future Drive, Dark Spirit of Malice, Earthbound Whirlwind, and Call of the Earthbound. Man, that's crazy. Next pack, we have 4 left, including this one. We start out with a Dark Gaia again. Oh boy. Infernal Gainer, Dark Sanctuary, Predaplant. Oh my, what is this for? Hold on. Clammy yeah, sure, man. Totally. Archfiend Empress, red, I believe. Yeah. Pretty cool looking. Dark Calling, love to see it. Revival of the Immortals. Predaplast. Hero Signal. Earthbound Greater Line Walker. Then we have an ultra rare Chimera Reflugia. Oh my gosh, I have all of them. I have every colored text and the ultra rare. That's weird. Earthbound Immortal Revival. And a blue Elemental Hero Honest Neo. So that goes well with this card. It's very celestial. Supay, Dustwalker. Future Drive. Dark Spirit of Malice. Another Sundragon Inti. And we're ending on Skyscraper again. Excuse me. Oh, goodness. All right. Let's see if we can have a last couple pack magic here. Get that Magician's Soul. Start off with, of course, that thing. Spirit Message A. Long name. Earthbound Geoglyph. Magician of Dark Illusion. Quick Draw Synchron. Red. Alright, pretty cool. E-Emergency Call. Good card. Destiny Board. Supay. Predablast. Apprentice Illusion Magician. Pretty good card in Dark Magician decks, and that is a blue. Pretty awesome looking. Magistry Alchemist. And another Performal Pal Celestial Magician. That could have been sold. Please. Dark Spirits Mastery. Predaplant Heliophora Rhynchius. I don't know. Earthbound Wave. Earthbound Whirlwind. And Diabound Kernel. That was like in the first pack, and I never saw it again. Until now. 2 packs left. Magician's Soul, where are you at? Where are you hiding? Gaga Magician, of course. Predaprime Fusion. Another name I cannot pronounce, I'm going to be honest with you. Pendulum Dimension. Dark Fusion. I think that's our first Dark Fusion, surprisingly. Evil Hero Wind Cyclone. Pretty cool. Scap Iron Signal. Earthbound Greater Linewalker. Miracle Fusion. Moondragon Quila. Satellite Synchron. Escator Dawnwalker. Red. That fits really well with this card. Then we have, oh my gosh, is that another? It totally is. Oh, it's a blue one. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, that's like a lot. Oh, he's taunting me with Magician's, whatever. Well, at least I got Starting Venom Fusion Drain. That's pretty good. Favorite Hero and Oracle of the Sun. Yeah, the Rafflesia and Magician of Chaos are just on me. So this is our last pack. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Would have been nice to have a soul, but you know, what can you do? Pendulum Dimension. Predaprime Fusion. Another Terra Baby. Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter. Predaponics. Then we have another Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Oh boy. That's like my 4th one. Oh, gee. Dark Spirit of Banishment. Dark Calling. Revival of the Immortals. Predablast. Hero Signal. Evil Hero Infernal Wing Red. Because I wanted to say red at the end. And that is red text, and that goes perfectly because it is a fire. So that looks really good. And then we have a Earthbound Immortal Kisulu, I believe. Then we have Evil Hero Sinister Necron Blue. So we didn't get the soul, but still I'm really happy we had some good cards. Heated Heart, Magician's Robe, Secrets of Dark Magic, and Earthbound Waves to round it all out. All right. So this has been Iron Knuckle. Thank you guys for watching. And let me just get these at the end. Just make them look like I pulled something good, but these are the cards that came with it. But but they're still really cool, and I really like these cards. So again, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.